Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check Coinbase Wallet tutorial. And well, first of everything, we have to sign in on Coinbase app or in our website. In this case, I don't have an account here. I have my own account in another device. But if you have, just press sign in if you have an account and just select how you can sign it with passkey, Google, Apple, or Wallet in case that you have it. If you don't have an account, just sign up and you will ask for an email address, all your information for create an account on Coinbase. So after you create your account, you can start using the wallet. What is the wallet? Here you can add wallet for buying bitcoins, ethercoms. It's similar to another apps for trade. So you can check here how to use it on the website. In crypto, on-chain profiles, learn. Here you can find tips and tutorials for using Coinbase. In this case, tips on tutorials. You can find how to use each of the options that you have on the app, which list, grade, gamers, different tokens, cryptocurrency. So here you can find everything that you need for using this app. For wallet, you can find also the information available here. And for individuals, you can find here the wallet option that is here. And you can find here how to download on App Store, Google Play Store, etc. So you can download also on here on your website. So you can download and your wallet crypto kits and crypto. Here you can find the options for doing how to use it, etc. So for everything doubt that you have, you can check all these options here and you can check each of them for using this. Well guys, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.